All right, ladies and gents, let's do a couple more practice air prep questions so we can feel comfortable after spring break for our state test here. So remember, we go to the Sheffield Lake website under staff, air testing portal, students and families, student practice site, sign in, pick grade 5 right here. We're going to go down to science. There's a bunch. Remember, we did last week, okay, right here, top right. Click on that one. We did number 1 through 5 last week. So let's continue doing a little bit more practice. Begin test now. And the nice thing is, go up here to next. We're going to start with number 6 today. Okay, we're going to start with number 6. So this one is actually involving food chains and food webs, which is where we currently are in science. It says in Ohio, swarms of cicadas hatch from the ground every 17 years. When the cicada population appears, the population of moles and wild turkey increase. So when we have cicadas, moles and turkeys increase. So it's telling you to do 2 things. Move the organisms into the correct blank boxes in the food web to show this current flow of energy. And then B, part B, is asking the role that cicadas play in this food web. Is it a carnivore, herbivore, or decomposer? Okay, so based on this diagram and the fact that cicadas make moles and wild turkeys increase, okay, we should move down here out of present. I'm sorry, you could actually not be in present mode. You just drag the wild turkey right here because that is saying who eats a turkey? A coyote. Then the cicada, ladies and gents, is going to go right here. Because with the cicada, there's more moles and more turkeys, okay? Because if the mole and wild turkey eat cicadas and there's more cicadas, their population's going to increase because they have food. That's what they eat. So cicada goes there. Then right here on the bottom are plants and trees. So now when I read this food web, it's telling me snails eat plants and trees, so do cicadas. Moles eat a cicada, so do turkeys. Squirrels can eat cicadas. And who eats a squirrel? Coyotes. Coyotes also can eat turkeys. So to ask you a part B, click on the role that cicadas play in this food web. So based on the fact where the arrow's pointing, cicadas eat plants and trees, which leads me to believe it is an herbivore because it eats only plants. So your diagram should look like what I have in front of you. Okay, let's go to number 7. Which motion causes the change from day to night? Day to night, 24 hours. Is that Earth orbiting, which is a year or revolution? When the moon orbits? When Earth rotates? Or the moon rotating on its axis? Day and night, ladies and gents, is C as in cat, rotating. Number 8. Students are observing the highest pitches that different instruments can reach. The graph shows the students' observations. The higher the instrument's pitch, the higher the mark on the graph. So instrument A is telling me it's right here. So it looks like D is the highest pitch, followed by A, C, then B. So now we have to go over here and move the instruments from fastest to slowest. So the higher the pitch, ladies and gents, is going to have a fast vibration. So we would put D, A, C, then B. Because the higher the pitch was over here, and therefore the higher pitch is going to give me a fast vibration. So it should be D, A, C, and B. Okay, we'll do 2